loves it. He loves it. Like, he looks forward to the days that he has music. Like,
oh my gosh, look, it's a turtle up in the tree. And look, we have a tiny minor monkey and a much bigger major monkey. So you know what they use?
And then
when they're
a
hanging out?
minor major one.
after Mini Keys was over, Jason had suggested club keyboard for us because Gianluca really wants to learn how to play piano, and what he said it was a good fit for his age group. I mean, it's different in the sense that, you know, how school is different now. As when I was a kid, this is E and this is F and this is where you put your fingers, and we're gonna play hot cross buns. And I think the big difference is looking through their music books and seeing that they're just changing it up a bit and not playing hot cross buns and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and just exposing them to a little bit more.
Club Keyboard is a group piano class that is built around a immersive and interactive storyline featuring entertaining and engaging characters that the students get to identify with as they go on a world tour across many different countries, exploring their cultures and musical styles, and all the while learning the fundamentals of keyboard and music.
My name is Tito, and my favorite thing about Club Keyboard is playing the piano!
I love it. I think it's a great community. I love the jams that just start, especially when Nate's like, hey, come over, and we'll just pound on the drums, or he'll get some stuff going, and it's really fun.
A lot of people join in.
We were trying to do home rock one night during his Africa study or Senegal study, and I couldn't remember what eighth notes, like what it looked like, and he was showing me. I was like, no, it's this way, Mommy.
They get to take one of these characters, like our rapid rhythm Raymond, who's a rhino, and they get to pretend to be Raymond for a class and do the rhythm part. And then next class they might take on the persona of Mighty Melody Mindy and learn a melody and get that to fit with Raymond's part.
I mean, we love it. We think it's just such a great community, and I think this space is awesome where kids can come, and my niece who babysits will come and do her homework while class is going on, and you come in and people are at the drum circle and kids are playing. It's just a nice little community.